As most of us are in a lockdown at home, we are left to wonder, will my job be affected due to COVID-19? And for the students, it's always a nightmare. If in future, will they be placed in a good company or not? And it is extremely unlikely that things will just go back to exactly the way they were before. The workplace are likely to change, and with it, the skills company will require change too. And that's why our today's topic is going to be how to enhance our skills to make our jobs or placements post COVID-19 proof. Hi, my name is Dipansh Kathuria, and I hope you guys are doing well. Right now, I'm pursuing MBA from GIMS Rohini, Sector 3, Delhi. If you are new to this channel, please go subscribe for future updates. And I would like to thank all my subscribers and for all the love and support they have showed in my previous videos. It actually means a lot to me and motivates me to make more amazing contents like these. So today, we have a very special guest with us who is going to join us today and discuss about few future skills that would help us grow our Indian economy and also help everyone to future-proof their jobs. So without wasting any time, I would like to call my brother Kabir join us with our further discussion. Hi Dipansh, it is really good to be here and thanks for inviting me for the discussion, and I agree less with you that this COVID-19 situation is going out of hands and it is not going to get better anytime soon. And therefore, I wonder that what are the best ways to prepare ourselves for a COVID-19 world? You know, Kabir, the best way to prepare ourselves for post-COVID-19 world is to acquire technological skills. The COVID-19 paramedic is fast-tracking digital transformations and companies as they are trying to become most resilient to future outbreaks, which recently Shi Zhengli, a virologist renowned for her work on coronavirus in bats, also known as China's Bat Woman, said coronavirus is just a tip of iceberg, and if we want to prevent human beings from suffering from the next infectious disease outbreak, we must go in advance to learn all these unknown viruses carried by wild animals in nature and give them an early warning. It would actually help us giving a very early warning to prevent our future outbreaks. So is it true, Dipansh, that now every company wants to be prepared for any future unknown harms to their organizations? Yes, exactly. The technologies such as artificial intelligence, big data, the Internet of a Thing, virtual and augmented reality, and robotics will make businesses more resilient to future paramedics. And anyone that can help companies exploit these technologies will be used in greater positions, whether in a factory or in an accounting office. In a post-COVID-19 world, you need to be comfortable with these tech tools as well as be able to work them efficiently. Okay, but as you just said about so many technology, isn't cybercrime a thing? Do you think it is going to affect the future if we will be indulging in these types of tech activities? Right, Kabir. And that is why it is most important to improve our cyber security instance of cyber threat that have increased in the last few years. Organizations are adopting advanced security measures to prevent sensitive information from being leaked and misused, yet hackers are coming up with new methods to obtain and exploit user data. Yes, and I have also heard that recently private data of 2.9 crore Indians job seekers were leaked on dark web. Also, a recent study reveals that 86% of O's consider security to their number one priority. With remote working becoming the norm post COVID-19, companies' data is even more at risk, don't you think? Exactly. And with more people consuming that data and consuming information online, digital marketing has also become a lifeline for chief marketing officers, CMOs, as they seek to reduce marketing spends, drive greater ROI from their marketing dollars. In turn, this will result in a greater demand for PPC, digital branding managers, content, and SEO experts, CRM, and also email marketing specialists. Post COVID-19 results in greater demand for business analytics. Estimates from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics demands management analysis, includes business analysis, which is likely to grow 14% between 2018 to 2025. That's where the good news is. The National Association of Software and Service Companies, a trade association of Indian information technology and business process outsourcing industry, NASSCOM initiated a program called 10,000 Startups, which has now come up with a new portal, Future Skills, a portal which uses the technology of the future to create a space where a learner can access content on all the skills of the future. A learner can seamlessly access free and paid content, assignments, virtual labs, and get certified for their skills of their choice. The platform is fueled by a corrosion engine that has the ability to travel the mass amount of high quality learning content available on the web and funnel it to an easy consumable format that is meaningful and effective for the learners. It also has a corrosion features that allows subject matter experts from industry and academia to contribute by content and learning pathways on these technologies. You will be able to find hundreds of skills that top companies will be needing in near future. So that's a better way to invest your time in the lockdown than learning some future skills. Here are a few future skills that will be providing, that they are providing and can be useful for all of you. Product management fundamentals, AI fundamentals, introduction to cybersecurity, fundamentals of data analytics, machine learning, linear regression, and data foundation, and much more. If you want to join, the link has been put in the description box below. And now, I would like to say thanks to our guest, Mr. Kabir, for joining us for today's video and for sharing his thoughts on this topic. Thank you, Dipansh. It was a wonderful experience being with you on this video, and I had a great time with you with such an insightful discussion. I look forward in joining you for the future videos. So folks, I hope you all enjoyed and loved today's video, and you're waiting for the next one already, which is going to be more interesting and enlightening for all of you. Please stay at home during the lockdown and take care of your family. And don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below whatever you like in this video and whatever you're going to and whatever you want in the next video. If the video was helpful for you, please share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to DFOX Tech. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out any important updates. See ya.